Well, good morning, y'all. Not 'cause I'm Southern, I just can't remember all your names. But I started something last night. Those of you that know us, Becky and we switch. She cooks one day and I cook the next day. Well, sometimes I cheat. I order a pizza and hey, say I cooked, yeah, but it works. Anyway, last night I decided I'm going to take that slow cooker out of the cupboard and I'm going to start a meal. So I got me a big chunk of meat and I cut it up and I fried it a little bit. I stuck it down in there and I put some taters and some onions and some cauliflower and a few other things in there which I won't mention. But anyway, I stuck that thing in there and I started cooking it. Well, I didn't get a bit of sleep last night. I ain't never doing that again. That smell just kept me awake. Finally, I got in there and they ate me some. I turned it off and I set that crock pot outside. After the smell went out, I got me some sleep now. Y'all take note. Don't start them crock pots at night. They're all right. They do the job, but only do them when you're not home, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye.